And we're back at the outside portion of the aircraft pavilion at the USS Alabama and the USS Drum. And first up is the Lockheed SR-71, the fastest aircraft, manned aircraft ever manufactured. Walk our way around. Some of these aircraft still have damage from the last hurricane that came through. In the background behind the airplanes is the submarine USS Drum that we just did a video on earlier today. F-16. That, by the way, is a F-18. I forgot to mention that. F-15. And the iconic F-14. It's the Navy version of the Black Hawk. They call it a Seahawk. Walk over here and give you a better view of the submarine from the outside. Pretty damn big, sitting in a cradle out of the water, isn't it? And like I say, I did a video earlier inside of this submarine that you can check out. Come here and you bring pets, they got a place where you can put your pet. So even got fans. This is the CH-21B. I'll tell you what this is called, but I don't know, and it isn't written on the side of it. You got some Coast Guard boats out here, they're pretty cool. And this was a Sikorsky helicopter, HH-52A model, used for search and rescue. Across the way right there is a UH-1 Huey and a B-52 bomber from the Vietnam era. Also, which I know we're going to walk over to, is a DC-3 out in the area back there. There's also some tanks. you enjoyed this video and all the videos that I've been doing on American military history. Thank you, and please share the videos and like them and subscribe to the channel. Thank you, and God bless.